According to standard theory, the only kind of planetary scarring to expect from an impact event is a round crater. But that's based on the assumption that the object impacting the ground is going to be a simple, inert bolide, a nickel iron asteroid, a piece of ordinary rock. But something different happens when we get hit by a comet. The new revelation here is that the ices of a comet are highly explosive in their own right. It's been more than 100 years since the Tunguska phenomenon, and there is no end to the theories as to what may have caused it. We hear of everything from time warps to exploding spaceships. The list is endless. But the Russian scientists haven't been sitting on their hands all this time. There are also hundreds of excellent peer-reviewed papers on the subject. And in a recent work by E.M. Drobushevsky, titled Tunguska 1908 and Similar Events in Light of the New Explosive Cosmogony of Minor Bodies, the nature of the objects that produce these explosive blast effects is described in exhaustive detail. The fragments all detonated with a power and intensity far out of proportion to their size. The objects all detonated like shaped explosive charges. There are no two of them alike, although there is a certain family resemblance. These strangely shaped explosive blast burns and craters describe an almost unimaginably violent form of energy release that is different from anything that has ever been studied before. While any of us can raise a question, the doing of the science to answer them is best left to the experts. If I had found a dinosaur bone, I'd leave it alone and tell a paleontologist. But this is no silly old bone. Who do I tell? I'll leave you to ponder that question while you look at the rest of the slides.